You might have been to an event and seen where white fabrics or coloured fabrics glow at you even though they're not a light source. The way that's done is with UV light. Now let me explain UV light. When you see white light, you're perceiving all the colours mixed together, from long wavelength red right up to short wavelength violet. Now, UV stands for ultraviolet, and it's a light frequency just beyond the human perception. But when that light hits surfaces like this green string here, or my white logo here, it pops back in a really luminescent, glowing kind of way, and we perceive them to be light sources. It's a totally magical effect, and it was first used heavily in the 1970s and 80s in the disco and early rave scenes, but now, people like PYTCH here, we're using it as part of lighting installations on light trails. I think it's a beautiful and magnificent type of light, and it's really stunning in environments like this. In particular, the technology's enabled us to do this more now. In the early days, it was sodium discharge lamps with a phosphor filter that prevented all the frequencies except ultraviolet going through, but now it's actually very low-powered LED fixtures that allow us to light up entire forests with UV light with minimal power.